Hi, everybody. Guess what? We're going to pick another winner of Geode Mountain. I said another winner, but I spoke wrong. We are going to pick a winner of this canvas by Rhinestone Goddess. There is 3 of you in the running for this canvas. Who is it going to be? Well, let's see. I'm shuffling. You can see I'm shuffling. Okay, now let's, you know how I am with this wheel. Let's go down. Okay. I can't see. The glare is shuffle. Oh, what did it do? Okay. All right, you ready? Up, up. Number 2. Who is number 2? Number 2. Who did I give the number 2 to? Pam H. Congratulations, Pam. Your number came up. How about that? You've been trying for a while. I know you have. Congratulations, Pam. Reach out to me via email and let me know if you're still interested, and we will arrange shipping. So, congratulations, Pam. Stay tuned for 8 o'clock for another canvas. If those of you have been following along the Spread the Love event, you know you have 50-50 shot on knowing what's coming up next. It's going to be, I'm going to have a list. I'm expecting more than 1, but maybe less than 10. So, all right, guys, get out there, be kind to one another, and like and subscribe if you want to continue with the chaos. All right. Have a good one. Bye.